Hi everybody, my name is Michael Stegner. In today's lesson we're going to talk about different rhythms that we've had in the past and how we can read them in different combinations to make them always sound the way they're written. So let's get to this first example. This one should be like this. Ta, taki, ta, taki. Okay, if you see that, for example, if you're using numbers, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. The problem with counting it the way I was just counting it is that it leaves the door open for us to rush through the first note on the first beat and the third beat. For example, we could do this, ta, ta, ki, which is a very common mistake that people make when they're reading a rhythm like this. So how do we fix that? What we do is, for the ta at the beginning, in the first beat and third beat, we go ahead and say taki because one taki fits inside of the ta. So for example, taki, 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 taki. So if we count it like that, there's almost no way that we can rush ahead on those notes on the first and third beat. If we're using numbers, we can do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, do you see how that works? Now the next note in this sequence is just a long hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's really easy. If we were to combine that with the measure before, we could go taki, 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 ta, 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 and just move back through really quick. So we do the same thing on that. We just add the takis in between the tas. So that means the whole time we're counting the tas and the keys to make sure that we don't rush ahead on anything. So the first two measures that we talked about would sound like this. Taki, 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 taki. So 4 takis equals 4 tas. Okay, we're just putting the keys in so we make them the right distance. If you're using numbers, it would sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so this is what we'll need to know. Let's jump in and let's play this together. Remember to like and subscribe so you know about future videos. 1, 2, ready, go. Taki, 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 taki. See how that works? Let's try it with numbers. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just like that. So 1, 2, ready, play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Hopefully that helps you get started on this batch of pieces. If you need a little extra time, go ahead and just play along with the last couple video excerpts until you feel more comfortable with it. For this batch, go ahead and practice Bouncing, Hobble Bobble, Pesky Pears, and Camille the Copycat on pages 22 and 23 in the book. Remember to use the slow, medium, fast, and pro practice tracks when you practice. And also, one thing to try, I know I've mentioned it before, but when you're practicing bouncing, try to play along with the practice track of, say, for example, Pesky Pears. It's a good way to mix things up. It teaches us how to listen to other things going on around us while still staying strong on the part that we're reading. It's a skill that'll come in really handy later on. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you have some fun with this.